The Common Vulnerabilities and Exposures, or CVE program, is run by NIST as a means to publicly identify known vulnerabilities in specific software packages, shared libraries, and hardware. CVEs are weaknesses in the underlying code that can be exploited by malicious actors, resulting in a negative impact to confidentiality, integrity, or availability. High-profile examples of recent CVEs include the Spectre vulnerability, affecting essentially every modern-day CPU, the Log4j vulnerability, resulting in a $700 million fine against Equifax, and the Jira Service Management vulnerability that allowed attackers to impersonate authorized users and gain access to sensitive proprietary data. Government agencies and highly regulated commercial enterprises are required by law and compliance standards to regularly scan their networks for vulnerable software. This process often involves manual activity, is laborious, and also expensive. However, the cost of failing to act is higher still. According to a 2023 IBM study, the average cost of data breaches globally was $4.45 million per incident. Confined to just the US, this figure climbs to $9.48 million. This demonstration provides a high-level example of how Blue Prism's intelligent automation platform can be used to simplify the CVE scanning process and reduce exposure to risk by means of automation. The digital worker begins by compiling details on software applications installed across the organization. This information might include details such as application names, versions, publisher identity, and devices on which the applications are installed. With this software list in hand, the digital worker next queries gold standard CVE repositories, such as MITRE's CVE database, the US National Vulnerability Database, and Carnegie Mellon's CERT-CC Vulnerability Notes database. If software containing a listed vulnerability is found, the digital worker immediately files a support ticket to notify the IT security team. In this example, the process automation ends with the submission of the ticket. However, the flexibility of the Blue Prism platform is such that options for creating process automations are nearly endless. For instance, after submitting the ticket, the digital worker could also take proactive actions such as temporarily disabling the vulnerable application or downloading available patches and pushing them to the impacted endpoints. This is just one simple example of how Blue Prism can help government agencies and commercial organizations reinforce their defensive cybersecurity posture. Contact Blue Prism today to learn more.